you wanna get this fridge, but after I do this one, you can get that fridge this one. Actually, we're gonna get 4 today. And that. You get patrons. Now the more folks like this. Get this if you already have it. I have 230. I'm so like I don't like how people are doing this. Like I don't care about the God, but I don't like how people are like that and they have so much. I want them to have it with one. Now if only if you're different one to get in there. Now what you wanna do? There's 2 ones you can go. You can go to the Pyramid Maze or Obby. I would go to the Obby. Now the Obby is because they have so small, but you can collect a fridge. But we're gonna have one more, okay? And for somebody that keeps doing this, you can't. Don't mind all of these fridges, like this one, 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 this one. Okay, now if you want to take fridge. still have you? Okay. Now you want to give it to him. Burger present. I don't know who burger present goes. Ice present. Okay, ice present. This one. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I'm so sorry. Purple present. Don't present, I'm pretty sure. What is that? Okay, burger present. Go to the grave. So complete the obstacle. Now what are these different kinds? But these things get absolutely small. And then yeah, you guys get rich. With legendary. That's not it. I'm pretty sure, right? Let me check if there's other legends. Chief. I'm not gonna have time to do